Okay, so let's look at this particular question. We have it to be like giving uh, giving that the limit as n approaches infinity of n over n plus 1 over 2 n plus 3 equals to half. Find an integer n such that small n greater than capital N if epsilon is equal to this. So these are the informations we have. Now, according to the definition of a limit of a sequence, we know that the limit as n approaches infinity of a sequence an equals to a implies that giving any epsilon giving any epsilon positive, there exists a natural number in terms of epsilon such that the absolute value of the limit the sequence minus its limit is less than epsilon whenever n small n is greater than capital N, 1 over this is less than 1 over capital N, like this. So we are going to use this assumption here to find the value of epsilon. Okay, so now let's see. Our an from this question is this part, and our a is the half, and so our an is n plus 1 all over 2n plus 3, and our capital A is 1 over 2. So we are, and then our epsilon is equals to 0.001, like this. So we are just going to do substitution. Okay, so now let's do the substitution. We now have n plus 1 all over 2n plus 3 minus 1 over 2, all this less than 0.001, like this. And this one, we know that this can be written like 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 3 all over 2 into brackets 2n plus 3, like this. All this less than 1 over 1000, like this. Okay, we know that 0.001 is the same as 1 over 1000, because there are 3 decimal places. Now this will imply that we will now have 2n plus 2 minus 2n minus 3 all over 4n plus 6, this all this less than 1 over 1000, like this. And so this will imply that this and this will go away, and so we have negative 1 over 4n plus 6, like this, less than 1 over 1000. But you know that since this is absolute, then this is the same as positive 4n plus 6 less than 1 over 1000. And so we just have to solve for n. So here we do cross multiplication, and so we just have 1000 is less than or since this is 1 and this is 1, we can just do reciprocal. And so if we reciprocate, okay, 1000 is less than 4n plus 6, like this. And so with this, we just have to solve for n. So we have 1000 minus 6 less than 4n, and so we have this one to be 9, 4 is less than 4n. So we divide both sides by 4. This and this will go. This will imply that n is greater than, if you divide this, this will go here 2, when the 1, put the 1 here, it will go into 8, 4, when the 3, okay, so 2, 4, 8.5, but they said integer, so we run it to the nearest integer, so we do n greater than 249. But the assumption was that small n is greater than capital N from the question. So since small n is greater than capital N and small n is greater than this number here, then we can conclude, therefore our capital N is equals to 249, and this is the answer to our question. This is the answer, this one, 249. Thank you for watching.